Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, up till now we have looked at the queue. In that we have learned about what do you mean by queue. Queue follows the first in first out structure. Also we defined the specialized type of queue called as circular queue. In that we have two important points, front and rear. In case of circular queue, rear always point back to front. So it becomes a circular structure. Hence the name circular queue. Now we will look at the next set of queue that is called as priority queue. The term priority holds quite importance in this case. The term priority means which job needs to be done first. It decided by this queue. So what we are going to have the set of jobs, and based on their priority they are going to be executed. Hence the name priority queue. So basically in case of priority queue, we are going to have this set of jobs arranged in a queue fashion. Queue fashion in the sense first in first out. But it is based on your priority. Higher the priority, more likely chances of getting it executed before others. So based on the job's priority, the job is going to be executed. So in other words, I can say the sequence is basically first in first out only, but the number which gets the job is based on the priority which jobs hold. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ekeeda channel.